I'm going to go over the best crypto wallets in 2024 so that you know where to put your money and keep it safe. Let's get into it. The first one is MetaMask. This is the tried and true, I feel, the OG of the space. And I pretty much use MetaMask for everything. It is on every exchange, pretty much works with everything. And by exchange, I mean blockchain. It has over I want to say 17 million people. So not bad. Obviously, it is very highly reviewed. Even though the stars aren't that great, it does have 4.1 stars. And, people lose their keys and they didn't write them down and then they vote down because they didn't protect their crypto wallet. And that's just what it is. So MetaMask is great. They have been improving it day after day, month after month. You can now add all sorts of NFTs. You can add all sorts of different things. Let's pull up my expanded view just so you guys can see my full $2 in this account and show you that you can switch between all sorts of different chains: Mantle, Fractal, Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Binance, Polygon, Optimism. I mean, all of them are here. So it just makes it super easy to use. And this is just the Play wallet because obviously I wouldn't want to keep crypto in a hot wallet that with a lot of money. That's why I use a Ledger. But today we're only talking about software wallets, so we won't go into hard wallets. We'll go cold storage. We'll only be talking about the top hot wallets. So this is obviously the first one, MetaMask. They have all sorts of different things. They've been able to start bridging. They've been able to show you your portfolio using this platform, just so many different things. And I love MetaMask because they are constantly updating it. And they've added a lot of new things like staking, liquid staking through Lido, Rocket Pool. You can earn some sweet rewards. And you're able to buy, sell, and swap within MetaMask, which is awesome. So very cool things that MetaMask has done. It's one of my favorite wallets when I have to use a hot wallet and when my crypto is not in cold storage. So that's it for this one. Let's move on to the second wallet now. Number 2 on the list is your Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet has been around also for quite a while now. They have been founded since 2017 and over 100 million people using it. I would say it's probably one of the larger wallets too, just because it is mobile compatible. A lot of other countries besides the United States, United Kingdoms, they also use Trust Wallet. A lot of people in the Philippines use Trust Wallet, and it's just a easy to use tool. I know that you can you can make swaps, you can do staking, and I used to have it on my phone, but I do not anymore because I just don't need it. I have cold storage and I have a hot wallet if I need to. So very easy to use. They have all sorts of features, like I said, swaps, staking, NFT, security, and able to buy your crypto. So Trust Wallet is a good secondary wallet if you, say, for instance, don't have a wallet for the good old browser, but Trust Wallet is on browser. And as you can see, it does have 1 million downloads versus the 17 million with MetaMask. It does have a little bit higher review, but obviously not as many reviews. So Trust Wallet is a good second alternative. But let's go over the third wallet that is the best wallet for crypto. Number 3, the Rabby wallet. This has been around for, I want to say, only a couple years or so. I want to say it hasn't been around that long. They do have over 500,000 subscribers and users, and just on Chrome, and 360 reviews. So again, not as many as Trust and Meta Wallet because it is a newer wallet, but they have all the same features: swapping, NFTs. You can actually earn Rabby points, which is kind of cool. And it's a little bit different than MetaMask because you can automatically switch to the corresponding chain using bridges, which is pretty sweet. You can see there is pre-signed checks for security, so you don't get your shit stolen, and just a good user experience. Like I said, they aren't as popular as, say, MetaMask or Trust, but it is a growing wallet and it's giving more utility than MetaMask and Trust because it's open source. So very cool stuff. Let's get into the last and final wallet, the fourth and maybe the best. You choose. Let me know what you guys think is the best wallet down below, and let's get into it. And finally, number 4, Core. This is the fourth wallet. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of multi-chains and all that, but it actually has something better. It has all these tools where you can really do a lot more on Avalanche. and it is mostly for Avalanche, but you can accept things from BTC, Ethereum, and a few others, all other chains essentially. But you can do so many different things with this wallet. It is kind of more of a developer's wallet, I feel like, because they have so much that you can actually use it for, from testnet faucets to airdrops to proof of assets. There's just so many different things you can use this. It is on the smaller side with only 60,000 users, but it does score a very high score from its users because they are always giving feedback and the team is always looking at it and wanting to give amazing results to those users. And that's why it's scored so high. There is a lot to go on here. So you can obviously have your portfolio, you can stake, you can delegate and validate, and they also have cross-chain transfers, which I was talking about with BTC and Ethereum. But like I said, this is mostly focused on Avalanche as its main chain. So you definitely want to take that into consideration when you're trying to pick a wallet, because if you're only going to be on, say, like Avalanche, this is great. But if you're going to think of being on Binance or Ethereum or Optimism or, all the different chains that there are, Base, you're not going to want to use this wallet because it's not meant for that. So pick your poison. All of them are great. They all have different features that benefit certain ones. I love Avalanche for certain reasons, but I love using MetaMask and other blockchains because of that. So a lot of cool things. Let me know what wallet is your favorite. Obviously, these are all hot wallets and not cold storage, because your favorite might be a Ledger or a Trezor. So definitely choose what is your favorite. Drop me in the comments down below what your favorite wallet is, and I'll see you guys on the next one.